Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the daily candle, it continued what also we said yesterday here. That one is a good news. But till now, me, I'm still thinking there is a big drop is going to come, guys. And then in that video, I'm going to explain to you everything. So if you want to understand everything, you need to watch all the video. Don't skip any part. Watch all of it. The video it will not be that long, so watch all the video. Also, we are going to start from here in the daily. We're going down to the 4 hours. We're going to 30 minutes. So watch all of it. So here, guys, as we said before, we used to have here that inside bar. If you remember it, that one, it's being broken now. Now it's indicating the market is going to go higher. And as we said, maybe it's going to go till here, till that level here of 22,400 or till 23k. Then maybe after that there is a drop is going to come. That way me, I told the people they follow me, and when the weekly candle finishes, I told them if you want to invest in Bitcoin, it's the right time. But I gave you an example of $100. I told you invest $50 now, buy it of Bitcoin, and $50 leave it as a backup. And I'm going to tell you in the future what to do by that backup. Either if we break higher, I'm going to tell you when to buy. And if we fall down again, I'm going to tell you what to do with it. Everything is too clear? And here, guys, what we have? We have here that channel. Also, we said it before. As you see it, guys, what it doing that channel. And here, look at it here. It came to it here in that place. And now it's showing a rejection. Yes or no? Me, I focused to draw that one, the top one right, not the down one. And now here, that candle here, it's showing the market is going to fall down. So let's wait in what's going to happen, guys. The volume here, as you see it, when it came, that one, the Friday candle, it came very positive volume. Then today there is no volume, and as majority of you and the people that been following us, as we said Saturday and Sunday there is no volume. So me are thinking we are going to stay here sideways in that place till Monday, guys, or till Sunday by night when the Monday is going to open. Everything is too clear, guys. Here you get the picture. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, you, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin for you. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing exactly now. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new here, you're going to be notified. Or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. Go ahead now. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Go join us, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. I think everything is too clear here in the daily, guys. Now it's going to say or indicate us what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, it's breaking for us, that one. And that one is a very good signal. So now either from here to go up, or either from here to come back down here. So let's wait in the coming days, guys. But the good news here, us, we're breaking that long-term trend. Also, we've been following from 2021. Also, here we break it, guys, as you see it. Yes, also now we are in sideways market, but because the people, they are waiting the inflation or CPI, which is coming that week, what is going to tell them, guys. That's why you don't see a lot of volume till now, because people are still worried about what the Fed is going to do. But the market, it's showing here, it started coming out from that downtrend. Also, we've been following. And Bitcoin is different in the stock market, because the Bitcoin is very close to the halving cycle, guys. When that week finished, or when the weekly candle finished, I'm going to come back to you and show you some on-chain or fundamental analysis about the Bitcoin. Why also we believe in the Bitcoin that the right time for you to start investing, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, I know you are a subscriber, my friend. Did you smash the like button? Yes, you. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Please, help us. You know that channel without it can grow up. So please, it's not something hard. Just pause the video now. Now, yes. Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could, even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Thank you very much. So everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, what did I told you here we used to have? I told you used to have here a flag like that. Yes or no? Here, it's breaking, guys. Yes or no? Now, either to bring that one from here to here, and I told is going to go to 23k. For another story, you came here, you bring that line here, that one, and you calculating the same thing like here. Everything is too clear, guys. You see what else we saying now? Now, either from that level which is being broken here, that one, or the top of that flag which is being broken there, that one to come back to touch it here. Then after that to go higher, that man is going to give you a higher high. So here the high is going to come back to give you here the low. Then after that it's going to give you another high, guys. Yes or no? Where we are going? Where is the Bitcoin is going to go here in the 4 hours, guys? Let me show you something very important here. Here, that the flag also we're talking about, guys. You see it or no? That the flag, you came from down here to here. That one is a flag. It's being broken, guys. Now we bring in that line like that. The same line, that one here, you bring it here. So the Bitcoin, it will go till that last peak here, as you see it, till that one here. Yes or no? That in coming days. But there is a falling down going to happen, guys. I tell you all those things before. I told you also we are going till here. I tell it to you from here, from down here, from that level here, when we break in the down wage also being following. I tell it to you. Now, as I told you, there is a correction going to come. We don't know tell where. Now, no one know exactly tell where. And I'm going to tell you why that correction is going to come. Everything is too clear. And here, look at that channel also we said in the daily, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? Okay, here in the 4 hours, it's more clear than the daily. You see it? Every time he used to touch the top of it, he fall down. And now here, he touched the top of it, and he's showing there a rejection. So either to go back and to go back to touch the lower of that channel here, and after that there is a big pushing up, or from here is going to break that channel and go up higher, guys. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into see our indicator and tell you why me I believe there is a correction is going to come, guys. Let's go into see our indicators, guys. Our indicator, guys, that way me I believe there is a correction going to come. Look at it. Here, what it given me? Giving me here a very, very, very clear divergence in that indicator, guys. You see it or no? It's a very, very clear divergence. Let me show it to you in the chart as you see it, guys. Here, that one, that peak here is the highest. And here, that one is the lowest. And here in the chart, that one is the highest. And here, as you see, that one is the highest. So you try to connect in those dots like that, guys. As you see it, let me change in that. As you see it, guys, what you see in here? Let's bring in that one like that and that one like that. What you seeing? Did you see what I'm showing or no? Look here, that one is going up. That me, I'm talking about that white one here. That white one here. And here down, it's going down, guys. Yes or no? There is something not right here. That's a divergence, guys. And here, that indicator, when it enter here, a very highly chance is going to reverse. Tell where, we don't know exactly tell where, guys. But there is a reverse going to come. And that's why me I told you leave 50% of your capital, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me analyze for you that indicator of us more. As you see, guys, here came up. That's meant over here in that place. It used to be more momentum in the market, and a lot of people they try to push it high. Now that push up, there is not big momentum like here. Yes, there is big momentum, but not like the previous one like here. Now what shall we do, guys? Because we stay long. It might, because those ones, they are just oscillators, guys. Yes or no? It might, those ones, it just give you fake signals here. Also, we buy, we are not going to sell. That's it. If it make another correction, we will buy from lower. I'm talking here about long-term investors. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's see now our other indicator, what it say, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator is the same thing. I show you the divergence we have here in the last video. Look at it. It's very, very clear divergence here, guys. We don't know what's going to come, but the chart is telling us there is something not right happening here. So what shall you do now? Here in that level. Yes, you are in a very stronger level that no one will say no. Second thing, did you got any price action there? Yes, you can. You can make like that, a wedge like that, as you see it, or a triangle like that. Now, you waiting that one to be broken down for you to enter short. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter short, guys. Because it might from here, from that level here, to come back down till here, then after that to go higher, guys. If you remember here, what we used to have here, we said it need to break down, it came here, then after that it went up all that much. as you see it. So here, even that one is it at the overbought, and I told you all those things before. Actually, those ones, they are just oscillators. Anyone he basing his trading on oscillators, don't follow him. That's it. Because oscillators, they enter to the overbought and oversold, and they stay there. Sometimes they stay there for months. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, last video used to be here in that level. It came that big volume here, but down it doesn't show a big volume as you see it, guys. Down here in the volume, it's showing you a divergence. Yes or no? The big volume, it came here as you see it. The volume here is getting dry and dry and dry. But here, the chart is going up and up. So something is which is not right here, guys. Yes or no? Another thing, what did I told you me yesterday in the last video here about that level here? I told you our indicator is it at the overbought area, and I told you we don't got here any price action indicating us we need to enter short. That's what me I said. Did you got any price action now? Not with me. I told you before you can come like that and you drawing a trend line like that. Yes or no? Did that one come to it? No, it's still far away from it. And here what it given us, guys? Here it give you here like a small triangle like that. So now if it came and break a lower here in 30 minutes, you enter short. Take profit here at the 200 moving average here, guys. Everything is too clear, and I will tell you why. Let's see our indicators, guys. That one here, it's staying here at the overbought area, and that one we talk about it thousands of times. Now you need the price action, and we show you the price action. Is it that wage here? Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, and to explain to you why you need to enter short if it's breaking down. Look, that one here, guys, what it's showing here. You see it or not? Even here, it's showing a very clear divergence here in 30 minutes, guys. If you remember when it showed it to us here, we enter short. Now it show it again, as you see it, guys. That's why me I told you if it came and breaking down, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.